Tired of waiting on hold for hours? Frustrated with automated responses that don't solve your problem? You're not alone. If you're a Favepay user in Singapore and need to get in touch with them, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cut through the clutter and show you the fastest and most effective ways to reach Favepay support. Let's face it, dealing with customer service can be a real drag. You just want your issue resolved quickly and efficiently, right? That's why we've done the research for you. We'll explore the various contact channels available, from in-app support to social media, and even their official contact page. We'll also share some tips on how to prepare for your interaction with Favepay support to ensure a smoother and more successful experience. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand that Favepay, like any other financial technology company, prioritizes security. This means they may have strict verification procedures to ensure the safety of your account. Be prepared to provide necessary information like your registered email address, phone number, and potentially even your transaction history. Now, let's explore the different ways to reach Favepay support. In-app support. This is often the quickest and easiest method. Most Favepay apps have a built-in help section or a live chat feature. Look for a help or support button within the app itself. Favepay website. The official Favepay Singapore website usually has a dedicated Contact Us or Support page. This page may provide answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs, links to their knowledge base, and contact forms for submitting inquiries. Social media. Favepay may be active on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can try reaching out to them through their official social media pages. Remember to be polite and concise in your messages. Email. If your issue requires more detailed information or documentation, sending an email to their official support address might be the best approach. You can usually find this email address on their website or within the app. Important tip: when contacting Favepay support, be as specific as possible about your issue. The more information you provide, the faster they can understand your problem and provide a solution. While we strive to provide the most up-to-date information, it's always a good idea to check the official Favepay Singapore website and app for the latest contact information and any changes to their support channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.